Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, they don't go deep. They don't go dig waiting Juju Ekwensu sister writes for Lizzie Good page few months ago. Remember the time we told you people that Yul Edochie was with Lizzie Good? When Juju Ekwensu fans say, na lie, Yul Edochie is not with Lizzie Good. Yul Edochie is with Juju Ekwensu. So then Juju Ekwensu can't leave for neck. Una they see evidence. Some people still they argue. Hey, I went to this page. This person say, Madam, if you listen to that person, stay with that person. This one talk say everybody get your information. You know, say we can't they talk and say, yo is with Lizzie Gold. They can't they follow us. They argue. Can't they drag with us. So during that time, Juju Ekwensu's sister was doing sacrifice, rice and beans. Then they feed Mami water, rice and beans. Make Mami water for answer their prayer. They were fighting. Yet, Yul Edochie not see leg to go Abuja. Then Lizzie Gold posted she and Yul Edochie. The next thing, Juju Ekwensu's sister went to write these comments. When they go dig, come aside. Before I read the comment, Juju Ekwensu's sister, the name where she take write this comment, now they take trace am, take cash am. The name where she take write this comment, now they take trace am, take cash am, say, now she, I write this comments. Now, she is the Eze-Nwanyị of Umoji. For those of you that don't know what is Eze-Nwanyị, she's the princess. You know, say for village, they see the princess. They see the servant of the eyes of the god. They get different things. They see the mouth talk of the gods. They get different role where all of them they play. But her own, now she be the Eze-Nwanyị, the princess of Umoji land. If they want offer sacrifice, if they want to do any juju thing, now she they carry am for head. I make you see, even Christmas Day, she posted all those, their village masquerade. When they be say they go their house, they go give her honor as the Eze-Nwanyị, as the princess of Umoji land. So that's name which they be Umoji Chi. Since the she, their chi, they speak through her. When she tell they talk to her people. So this name, with Juju Ekwensu pikin picture where he put, when she write this comment, now people say, no, this comment is too strong. Let's see who is this person. When they do the tracing, they find out that now she get the secret private account. When she tell the right message, the true, they give people. Now see what she wrote. She said, na side chick, you go remain. Yul na Queen Judy husband. Madam, not try am. We go buy you. She not say I. She say we go buy you. Now they understand. We go buy you. That is the message when she writes. So she say we go buy you. This was the message she put under Lizzie Good posts. This is the message she sent to Lizzie Good. Now when Lizzie Good lost her papa, people go dig this message come aside. As they go dig the message come aside, come begin to calculate about this message. And let me shock you. This RIP of Papa Lizzie Good, according to what we hear, this RIP was meant for Lizzie Good's enemy. But Lizzie Good protected herself. Lizzie Good guide herself. She protect her area. She protect herself. But she did not protect people around her. This thing, when it happened to Papa Lizzie Good, and Lizzie Good now they betray and go give her, according to what we hear. But the girl dodged the arrow. The arrow can go meet the papa. And according to what they said, exactly the same way when she Bernard take by, Na so Papa Lizzy go take by. The same way we Kambili also to take by. The same thing that happened to me, Edochie. The same thing when it happened for you. When they throw the arrow, they see say the arrow no meet that one. They will send her go give anybody that is weak in this family. That's why they throw it. They now throw it to Lizzy Gold Papa. You see this life, eh? There are so certain people you don't go close to. You see you. You, avoid him. Borrow your leg and leave that man. That man don't miss himself with things that are not pure. These people are not pure. If to say Lizzy Gold no Jagaban aside, another story for the year. Another story. See she Bernardo and they work in spiritual. Anything we person do for spiritual, how you want it all and physical? Bird fly for night. Early morning, small pikin by. How you want a whole birds in heck by the pikin? Now cry, bird can't cry. You know see her when he press the pikin. How you want to say heck by him? That is how spiritual battle is. She better not go like that. See today, a lot of people in the industry, they know that somebody's hand is in it. But this person, you cannot hold her because it was a spiritual attack. Kambili, can you hold them? You cannot hold them. It was a spiritual attack. Kambili, they play ball. He fall back at for ground. He buy. Did you see who press a neck? Did you see who hit on something for head? Did you see the person when he hold his neck or they hit on for chest? Did you see the person? No. They only saw Kambili play. The next thing the boy fall for ground. Rush and reach hospital. He don't buy. Just like that. Just give up the soul. Just like that. If I tell now say afternoon winch, that one they vex me. And I will say I to the talk on. You see this the afternoon winch. Now I not like for their body. They will just come. They will be attacking people anyhow. Attacking people. You see Juju Ekwensu wey dey. Eh? That Juju Ekwensu when he did so. She is worse than her sister. That's why I don't like her. That Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water. She wicked past this her sister. You see this her sister so. Ekwensu romance Mami Water. She wicked past this her sister. Now they do the worst thing. She wicked past this her sister. Her sister, they operate. They do imiri, they do sacrifice. They do everything you can imagine. She's the imiri is the wine. She's this, she's that. But I can tell you that in the spiritual realms, Juju Ekwensu is more powerful and more wicked than her sister. Her sister goes on a mission. Juju Ekwensu don't go on a mission. Juju Ekwensu attack. You see most things where her sister they do, now she dey send her. Now she dey send her sister. Now remember that time when they thought say Sarah Martins now they give Juju Ekwensu power. Now remember that time say I tell una say for where Juju Ekwensu Sarah Martins now they give Juju. I first tell una that time. You know say if I dey tell una Juju Ekwensu spiritual secrets, una go dey doubt me. When I tell una say Sarah Martins not get power where they give Juju Ekwensu. Sarah Martins where they use the head. I tell una go the thing dey my page. Go find out for my channel. The video is there. I was telling you people then. She is more wicked than her sister. Anybody that is doing saga with Juju Ekwensu, when never dream see Juju Ekwensu, you know that you are spiritually weak. She dey visit everybody. She dey visit everybody wey get saga with her. She don't wait for you to come for her before she come for you. If you call her, she will come. She will visit you. She will come and try you. She dey go. She dey attack. You know when they say person dey sleep for night, na mean she no dey fit do anything for daytime. Daytime she go use am till they sleep. In the night when people take they sleep, she will use am till they operate. If she dey go all those evil mission, na so she will carry her spiritual children follow body. If I dey tell una now, say I'm saying, telling you people she is powerful, and I laugh because for you to say she's powerful, that means you are weak. I don't see her that she's powerful. I see her like somebody that has spiritual evil powers. She have the power, but they are evil. And they say when light come, darkness disappear. Because I am light, I feel that there is no way she can be on top of me. She's under me. There is no way, no matter the power she have, as long as she's using the power of darkness, she cannot. They try Lizzie Gold now. Now they try Lizzie Gold. But Lizzie Gold was powerful. They couldn't get her. They couldn't break her. So what did they do? They threw the arrow to the father. Because why? Lizzie Gold papa had already dey sick. The father had already weak. So the arrow was easy to attack him. Just exactly the same thing like Kambile Chukwu. They try to buy me Edochie. If we dey talk on it, say na joke. Some people think say na play. Some people think say na content. Some people think say na content. If you won't really know, some people were talking about me Edochie matter. Some don't stop. Some no they talk again. Some they not too they talk about and again. They can't they do other things. And Juju Ekwensu they operate. You are a listener. You are not a content creator. Some knows. Some even receive message from their family that this matter beg. Suffer they talk photo. They won't tell you, but that is a fact. So, the same thing they did to me, Edochie. They came for her. They wanted to buy her. Now buy they buy. They buy. And they can only buy people that are not spiritually strong. That's why you need to fortify yourself. If you are a Christian, there are verses, there are chapters in the Bible that wage war. God is not a God of if I'm talking about Christian now, if you are a Christian, God is not a peaceful God. Wallahi, God is not a peaceful God. He's a God of war. You never know. He's a God of war. You know who is peaceful? The peaceful one is Jesus Christ, according to Christian religion. The Holy Spirit do not forgive. You don't understand the process. If you don't understand this thing, you can't fight spiritual battle. You cannot come out and say I'm a Christian. You don't even know your religion. Sometimes some Christians they talk and just they look their mouths. Do you even read the Bible? Why must it be somebody to read it for you? Just like some of you that are Muslim. You will just sit down, you call yourself a Muslim. Then you start saying you're having an attack. How? When in the Quran, every verses represent war. There is nothing that can attack you when you are a Muslim. Every verses is war. Eye for an eye. Everything spirituality is in Quran. The jinn, they tell you how they operate. They tell you how you seal them, how they do everything they do, all the evil they do is there. How to fight and battle and fight the enemy. They are there. If you don't read it, how will you know? How will you know? So when they talk about these people, start to the fear. If you know the fear, you say, I beg God, they don't get power, they can't do anything. If you are not strong, they can do you something. That is the fact. They do attack. But because they are using the power of darkness, and you are not using the power of darkness, they cannot do you anything then, when you know who you are. My lovely fans. So the same thing they did to She Bernard is the same thing that wanted to happen to Lizzie Gold enemy. But Lizzie Gold is very strong. Oh. Lizzie Gold is very strong. That's why they say protect everything around you. You know when there is a parable that says when you become a mother, you know they find trouble again. You know they do bad. Even if you have to do saga as a mother, the first thing you do, you protect your children. You first of all protect them. Then you put your chest for front. Any war battle that is coming, they will come for you because they can't meet your children. They can't meet people close to you. You block them. Life is a battle. If to say Lizzie Gold head not strong, you see what she wrote here? That was their mission. That was their mission. But the RFA go attack the wrong person. Exactly what they did to me, Edochie. The RFA go attack me, Edochie Pikin. Me, Edochie was their target. Their target was to bring her down. And if they do it, nobody will come and hold them. How you want to hold them? It is a spiritual attack. When She Bernard die, they go hold them. Because how will you use police to arrest somebody, say, by person, when the person, you not see the person, you not get evidence saying that the person by him physically? It is a spiritual battle. And you cannot hold them. You cannot hold them. She Bernard, She Bernard, did anybody hold them? But the people in the industry, they know very well that these people are the She Bernard. Now, not here that time where one Hollywood actress, I don't want to call her name, when she they caught, drag you like those, when she they drag Amobingo, say, Amobingo, respect yourself, oh. No let her open She Bernard story come outside again. They buy that girl with pregnancy. Juju Queen Sue and her sister. They went to that mission to remove that girl for road. Then they enter me, Edochie. They also wanted to remove me, Edochie, from road. The RFA Congo hit Kambelechuku. You know, see as Kambelechuku take by. Now so all their victims, the same way all of them take by. The same way Kambelechuku by, the same way Bernard, She Bernard by, the same way they say Lizzie Gold Papa still take by. Wonder shall never end. This their afternoon witch and they vex me. They don't fly. So they come to show and say, yes, now we nothing they happen. That is what they are doing right now. But when it comes to this extent, you know, say their cup don't full. Their cup don't full. My lovely fans, as I they talk to una so, the yo way the Juju Queen Sue fans, they say, he's in Abuja, The yo, he there with Lizzie Gold. Stay with Lizzie Gold. Lizzie Gold now, he will travel, go a place. Before he travel, go a place. Yo, they there. How come yo te reach there? How it take fly reach there? When they tell us say things, something is wrong somewhere. Juju Ekwensu sister say nobody will take Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu sister say nobody will take yo from Juju Ekwensu. Say never. He say if you the waka kere waka, na his sister body go end up. Now not see Two-Face. Two-Face. Now not hear wetin Two-Face talk for stage. Say don't stop to dey give women belle. Why not go stop? When he see wetin pass am. He see wetin pass am. Natasha dey talk at that time. He say Mama Two-Face go sit down for her marriage. He say Mama Two-Face go sit down. He say go bless them. But people take am like contents. It no happen. You know, say God go push all these men where they cheat on their wife. Push them, go meet wetin pass them. As you let do, as Amobin go dey, na person wey they avoid them. Need to avoid them. Because he don't mingle with evil things. He don't put a hand for wetin pass am. The kind of evil things when he dey mingle with na evil spirits surrounding him. It's better you leave him alone. Una don't understand the reason why they tell una say I can never go to any Juju Ekwensu fan page, go they look or to the talk or comment or no, I don't do that. Because there are some certain people you don't mingle with. You is a mistake to lazy God. No be best way for near at all. No need to near am. Leave am for Juju Ekwensu make they handle around the way they like for them. God bless you with a good woman. I say no. See what he carry. They go just sit down. They go they throw arrow, they attack. Especially Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water. That woman is evil. She's so wicked. In the spiritual realms, you know, they smile. Her eyes, they red. Her eyes, they red. Her name in the spiritual realms. I've said it before, I don't want to say it again. Her name in the spiritual realm, what it means. Oh my God. That woman is wicked. There is no way you will come for her, she will not attack. She's more wicked than all of them together. You see her sister, her mama, all of them joined together. That Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, she wicked past all of them. She just they pretend. You see her, she will just they pretend. Now she worst pass. Any man that enter into a trap, that man is a doom. That man would have finished. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Now God, nice save Lizzie God. God. See the message where she writes. People don't dig and come aside. Don't dig. And Lizzie God, now they throw her to go give her. The way God takes save Lizzie God, may go do Thanksgiving. She need to go and do Thanksgiving. The father just stood for her. Instead of to take his daughter, the man come out offer himself. My lovely fans, mind the people you draw close to yourself. Especially people with curse on them. A lot of people, there are curses on them. If you go near those kind of people, they will bring nothing but bad luck. My people, wonder shall never end. It's God need to go for Thanksgiving. Now she be the target. Waiting Juju Ekwensu sister right for here. Juju Ekwensu na carry out the mission. You see her? Now she go on this mission. But when you see her, you think, oh, this woman is so good, is so pure, is so innocent, she's so kind. But she went for the mission. Yeah, she went for the mission. Now she carried the operation on the seesaw. Very wicked. Very, very wicked. Wonder shall never end. It's good, learn your lesson. My lovely fans, you see how God protected me, Edochie. Una dey see am. Waiting they do Lizzie God so, and waiting they do me, Edochie. You see, say me, Edochie is a battle fighter. Until tomorrow, They never remove eye from me Edochie body. Okay, you think say they don't rest, they don't go sleep. Devil they sleep. Devil, he dey sleep. But no devil not they sleep now. So their plans, their evil plans was to attack. This is exactly what they planned for me Edochie. Till tomorrow, they still they fight me Edochie. They still they try everything. But me Edochie passed them. Because she know who she is. And she know who they are. If you don't know your enemy, you will go and drink from their cup of evil. Put eye for ground and know your enemy. Me Edochie is a very sharp woman. She did not know from the very beginning. But when she know, she put her eyes for ground. And she studied these people. And she know them more than you and I. Me Edochie know them very well. You know, say they don't get any good intention. That's why she wash her hand. If you see, me Edochie did not only wash her hand from Juju Ekwensu body. No, she remove Yul Edochie come off for near her. Me Edochie know they follow Yul Edochie they talk. For a reason. For a good reason. Because if you involve yourself with him, that evil forces when they are around them, that means you are calling them. You are drawing them to your body. And you know evil spirits, they be like attachments. They attach person well like chingom. Wonder shall never end, my people. See the way God is exposing them. All their evil plans, everything will come aside. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you, inshallah.